Look at this. It says, find the common difference in an arithmetic progression given that their first and 28 terms are this and this respectively. So we have the first term to be this. That is a is equals to minus 14. Okay? The 28 term is minus 5. Remember, you can also put here T1 is also a. Okay? We are asked to find the common difference. So I'm going to apply this formula. Okay? So let's go for this first. That is the 28 term is equal to minus 5, which is equal to this, which is a minus 14 plus n is 28. 28 minus 1, d. Okay? So we can use this to find d now. That is minus 5 is equal to minus 14 plus 27d. We move this to this side to have minus 5 plus 14 equals to 27d. This and this will produce 9 equals to 27d. We divide both sides by 27. It means therefore d is equal to 9 here 1, 9 here 3, which is 1 over 3 for d. Okay? So this is the value for d. 1 over 3 for the common difference for this arithmetic progression. Okay?